Hello and welcome back. In this tutorial, we will study column alias and the concatenation operator. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, click on subscribe button here and click on bell icon so that you will notify as soon as we upload a new video. Column alias is a new name for a column heading. It is useful in calculations. For example, select star from jobs. So here in this table we have a column by the name of max salary. So if you want to add some extra amount to that max salary, we can write the query as this: job ID and max salary, and the added amount. For example, if we want to add 2000 to this amount from jobs. So here is the actual amount of max salary and here is the added amount or extra amount. So here the name which we see here is the same as we have written the name as max salary plus 2000. So we can rename this heading to some other name. For example, here we can have as optional as keyword and the column alias name here. For example, we can write the name as revised salary. So now we can see the name as revised salary instead of max salary plus 2000. So if you want the case sensitivity and the blank space to be considered, we can use double quotation mark and column alias. For example, if you want this case sensitivity to be considered or the blank space between the revised and salary to be considered, we can use the double quotation mark. And as we said earlier, that as keyword is optional. If we don't write, it doesn't make any difference in the result. So now we can see the result of the column heading is a revised salary and the case sensitivity is also be considered. And next we have the concatenation operator. The concatenation operator is used to combine two different columns. For example, in job table we have job ID and job title. So if you want to combine these two columns, we can use concatenation operator. For example, if you want to combine job ID, then use the concatenation operator and the job title. So we have combined these two columns, job ID and job title. This part is job ID and this part is job title. So as these two columns are combined and we cannot differentiate these two columns from each other, so we can use literal character string between these two concatenation operators. For example, we can have the concatenation operator again, and in a single quotation we can use for example a literal character string to have a meaningful output from the query, as this: ST main is stock manager and ST clerk is stock clerk. So here we reach to the end of this tutorial. Do like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next one.